sunrise. And millions of people start the day the same way. That moment when everything begins and we all do it our own way. We open and close. We close and open, again and again. Like each new challenge that opens up before us and marks the road to follow, the destination we aspire to reach. Although it isn't always easy. Sometimes one road closes and we have to explore new options, open up new routes. That's when we give our best. When we exceed ourselves, closing major projects, opening new ones full of enthusiasm. Applying what we've learned in the past to adapt to different circumstances. Knowing how to identify opportunities and not let them get away. The key is never to close the door to innovation, responsibility, and quality. Opening new plans, in which people always play a special role. Not just when it's time to celebrate, but always when we need effort and dedication. And these are the people who inspire us, who give meaning to how we understand life, who open up our minds to important future prospects and help us close each chapter. That's how today, in the blink of an eye, we turn 60. 6 decades in which we close each day with the same satisfaction and enthusiasm with which we opened for the very first time. Giménez Ganga, 60 years in the blink of an eye.